and in these videos I'm going to teach you a little bit about Scratch. Scratch is an online coding program for kids. You can make games, animation, and stuff like that. Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make a Scratch account and tell you a little bit about Scratch. So first type in the search bar scratch.mit.edu. Now this is what it should look like. Then press Join Scratch button. Then it will ask you to create a username and a password. Remember to write down your password so you don't forget it, because you're going to need this password for every time you log into Scratch. You have to type the password 2 times. After you create a username and a password, you have to add the country you live in. Then you have to add the month you were born in and the year you were born in. Then you have to add your gender. And then you have to add your email. If you do not have an email, you can ask for your mom or dad's email. Okay, now press create your account. Congratulations, you have just made your own Scratch account. Now press get started. Now this is what this Scratch homepage will look like. If you scroll down, you will see all the projects. Press the create button to create your project. Now this is what it will look like when you create a project, when you first create. Now let me teach you these 2 buttons. This is the green flag button. That will start your code. This is the red stop button, which will stop your code. Now let's get started coding. So you can see there's lots of code blocks, but let's not worry about them right now. First, let's go to Events and click When Flag Clicked. Then we're going to go to Motion and click and drag Move 10 steps. Now what this code will do is when you click the green flag, will move 10 steps. The sprite will move 10 steps. The sprite is your object. In this case, the Scratch Cat is the object. Let's try the code. Now you can see the sprite is moving 10 steps. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and in this video we learned how to create an account and learn a little bit about Scratch. In the next video, I'm going to teach all 4 segments. Remember to subscribe for more videos and comment down below what cool things I should teach you in Scratch, and also hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a new video.